A powerful 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck Mexico's southern state of Oaxaca on Tuesday local time, killing at least 2 people.
Está abriendo bien cabrón.
Mira, ¿sí lo tomaste?
Sí.
Codes and construction techniques allowed buildings to bend but not break.
Scientists learning some lessons from a powerful earthquake in Mexico that shook buildings hundreds of miles away. The early warning that sent people running in.
Uy, cabrón. Ah, no mames. Ah, su puta madre. Oh, ah, no mames. No mames, no mames.
La verga.
Está temblando muy feo, Cómo cae el agua del taxi.
And another clip from Mexico City shows a blue car nearly hopping, while large windows in the building in the background take on a...
Está temblando bien fuerte, qué horror. Diosito, ten compasión de nosotros. Tranquilo, hijo, no pasa nada.
The coast of southern Mexico was rattled today by a powerful earthquake that triggered a tsunami alert for Pacific coastlines along Central America. The United States Geological Survey said the quake had a preliminary magnitude of 7.4 and struck around 11:29 in the morning Eastern Time, 7 miles west of Santa Maria Zapatela, Mexico. The earthquake had a depth of about 20 miles and was centered along the Pacific coast of Oaxaca state near the resort of Huatulco. The quake was felt in Guatemala and throughout South and Central Mexico. The National Weather Service's Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said that hazardous tsunami waves from the quake are possible within 620 miles of the epicenter, along the Pacific coasts of Mexico, Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras. The PTWC said that those located in threatened coastal areas should stay alert for information and follow instructions from national and local authorities. Officials said that while a tsunami threat exists for parts of the Pacific located closer to the epicenter, there is no threat for Hawaii or the U.S. West Coast. Power was knocked out to some areas in Mexico, but there were no immediate reports of it.